everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY on repurposing some old candle jars that I have. I absolutely love burning candles. As you can see, I have one burning right now. I go through like 2 or 3 candles each week. So I have a lot of these jars just hanging around my house. I really didn't want to throw them away because I wanted to see if I could find some way of repurposing them and using them for some other unique type of way. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use the freezer method for cleaning out my candles. I know there are a lot of other different methods, but I feel like the freezer method is a lot easier than a lot of the other methods that I've used. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put our candles into the freezer for at least 1 hour. You can do more if you like, but you want to do at least 1 hour. You're also going to need a knife and a napkin so we can scrape out the old wax. But let's go ahead and get started. I will go ahead and put my candles into the freezer and then I will show you what it looks like after that. Alright everybody, it's been at least an hour. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my candles out of the freezer and show you what it looks like. So I've taken the candles out of the freezer and it has turned the wax really hard. So all we're gonna do is try and cut it out. And as you can see, it just breaks apart in these big chunks. After you've cleaned all the wax out of the jars, you want to take an old sponge, some warm water, and some dish soap to wash out each jar. But you can see how clean they are. Very quick, very easy. So I'm just going to take a towel and dry these off. So once you're done cleaning out your jars, you can call it a day. You can put whatever you'd like in them and you put them wherever you like, and that's it. However, in true Stacia fashion, I'm gonna put my own personal touch on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna do to my jars and what I'm gonna put inside them. I took some black ribbon that I had laying around the house and I tied it to the top of the jar. So it just adds this nice little girly touch to it. And it also matches the larger ones that I have in my house. Now I was gonna put these knobs, the crystal knobs on top of the black one, but I decided not to. I'm just gonna place it on top of the clear and silver topped jar. So I'm gonna use a glue gun to put the crystal knob on top of this jar, and you want to get crystal knobs that don't have the screw already in the hole. So I found some that didn't have the screw already attached to it. So I'm just going to take my glue gun, put some glue on the bottom of the knob, and then place it onto the jar. So I've filled up my containers. I have bobby pins and rubber bands in one. I have cotton swabs in another. Q-tips, black Q-tips in the other. I thought these were cool because they were black with my crystal knob on top. And then in the other one I have matches. So they look really cool around the house. You can use them for a lot of different purposes, but I just love these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I have more videos like this coming later on this month, so please check back and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.